In this video, I will show you how to make money with your X or Twitter list. Now, if you have a good number of members on your list, you can promote other people's products or services for pay. And this is as simple as agreeing with the business on the payment, then posting about their products or services on your list. And you can also become an affiliate marketer and sell other people's products or services on your list and earn a commission. And you just need to find businesses with the affiliate programs, then sign up with them and start selling their products or services on your list. And if you have your own products or services, you can also sell them through your list. And you can just post about your products or services and tell your potential buyers how they can buy or where they can get the products or services. In addition, you can raise funds through your X list as a way to make money with your list. And if you have a good reason to ask for funds, then you can be sure to get donations from your loyal members. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on X or Twitter and other social media platforms, then ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.